Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. So here I've taken some craft papers and rotating like a ball. So take a blue color craft papers, use a glue gun, make it in a smiley and the rotation way so that the balls can be stick together. So let's stick a green color. Here's a brinjal shade that has been created and the eyes and the lips has been tucked. And then let's take a paper cup. A paper cup is taken and then make it like a flower petals one by one and cut them. So stick on to the purple color and paint them using a yellow color and the pink color, and here's a flower petals. So next, an orange color paper is being taken, a flat leaves is being kept and the glue gun is being stuck onto the paper. Same way an orange color paper is and the flower is being stuck onto the paper. So next, a yellow color paper is being taken. Using a scissors, cut the shape, draw the eyes, and here I'm going to make a honeybee. So an orange color is being taken, cut them. So stick it like a flower, cut the leaves and stick it on the paper and stick the flowers, stick the honeybees one by one. So next, a yellow color paper is being cut. Let's take a different colors and paste one by one into the circle and then make a tail, and here's a fish that is being created. Let's take a plastic paper, draw the trees and then cut them. So use a paper, stick onto the paper, paint them using a green color, stick the flowers onto it. So yellow color paper is being taken, cut them and then use a glue gun and use a tick and rotate them and make a like a flower branch. Same way it's taken as a orange color. Like this the multiple flower petals is being taken and made. So an yellow color and the green color paper is being stuck. Stick one by one and then cut them. So a green color, divide it into half and make a flower petal. So take a black craft paper, stick it one by one, and let's take a green color craft paper, stick it and make a leaf and stick onto the paper. So here's a bouquet that is being created. So a realistic leaf is being taken, draw the leg and then put some dots onto the green color leaf using a marker, black marker. Same way it is being done for the third leaf also. Stick the eyes and here's a beautiful leaf creativity. A blue color craft paper is being taken, stick it one by one like a cross sectional area, tie them like a ball. So one by one it's been done, draw the eyes, stick to horns and here's a pushy ball animal is being created. So a green color paper is being taken, so cut them, make it like a square and the boxed triangle shape is being created. Let's draw the eyes with different emojis and stick onto the paper. Let's take an orange color paper. So stick one by one, cut them into the shapes like a bow is being made, created, and here's a bow.